A dream first seen 65 years ago is now becoming reality. After many ups and downs, Bangladesh is stepping onto the global stage as the 33rd country to use nuclear power. Today, nuclear fuel, or uranium, is being loaded into the Rooppur Nuclear Power Plant in Pabna. Although land for this project was acquired in 1961, the then Pakistan government cancelled it. After independence, Bangladesh revived the vision. In 1995, nuclear energy was included as a promising alternative energy source in the national energy policy. In 2011, Bangladesh signed a cooperation agreement with the Russian Federation. Under this agreement, in December 2015, a general contract was signed between the Bangladesh Atomic Energy Commission and Russia's Atomstroyexport for the construction of the plant. Finally, in 2023, uranium arrived in Dhaka by air from Russia and was transported to Rooppur under strict security. With the loading of this fuel into the reactor, a new chapter begins. The Rooppur Nuclear Power Plant is the largest single project in the country's history. It is being implemented by the Bangladesh Atomic Energy Commission under the Ministry of Science and Technology. The project includes 2 units, each with a capacity of 1,200 megawatts, built by Russia's Atomstroyexport. Nuclear fuel is made from minerals. Small pellets are created first. Over 300 pellets form a single rod. Then 312 rods form one fuel assembly. For the first unit, 163 assemblies will be loaded into the reactor. A total of 164 assemblies have arrived in the country. Just 1 kilogram of uranium can produce the same energy as 100 tons of coal or 7 tons of oil. Once loaded, the reactor can generate electricity continuously for 18 months. The plant is expected to meet 10 to 12% of the country's electricity demand. Construction of 389 structures, including the reactor building, turbine building, cooling system, electrical substation, and other facilities, is almost complete. After fuel loading, the power generation process will begin. The plant is expected to reduce carbon emissions by around 20 million tons per year, making it far more environmentally friendly than coal or gas-based plants. While conventional power plants last 25 to 30 years, Rooppur is expected to operate for 60 to 90 years. Safety remains a top priority. Used radioactive waste will be sent back to Russia and stored 400 meters underground. Each fuel rod will be monitored continuously by the International Atomic Energy Agency through advanced software. The journey was not smooth. The COVID-19 pandemic, the Russia-Ukraine war, and the dollar crisis delayed the project by 3.5 years. Rising dollar prices increased the cost by 26,000 crore taka. The total project cost now stands at 138,686 crore taka. After fuel loading and testing, around 300 megawatts of electricity may be supplied to the national grid experimentally by August. Full production of 1,200 megawatts will take about 10 more months. This marks a major milestone in Bangladesh's energy future.